it's Louise with Louise McCare, and welcome to my channel. I should say welcome to my mess because I am knee-deep in a variety of projects right now. But because I have this great color palette, I'm going to be making some coasters. That's what I'm doing today. And this color palette will be for a fusion piece that I have either made already or will be making. And I don't know if I've released that video yet. But anyway, here to there, we're going to make coasters today. And first of all, thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys being here. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here and you do like what you see, please consider subscribing, and then you'll get all my latest art tutorials. I try to keep it as real and simple as possible. I try to keep it as informative so that you guys get some value out of what you see. I try to include tips just in my normal dialogue as I'm going along. So what I got here, this is a bloom technique, and this is the Glidden I'm going to use as my pillow, the 6011N. So we're going to put some of this pillow down, and this is what's going to allow my colors to float on top of as I blow out the composition. We'll go with that. A little spin just to get it stretching. All right, first color. This is my gold combination, my favorite. And if you guys have been watching me, you'll know the 24 karat gold by Deco Art and the iridescent gold by Golden. And that's the consistency. I usually look for about a 2-second trace off the stick. And you probably say, well, wait a minute, now that pillow looks thin. It is thinner than the normal Multi-Pro that I use. But I'll tell you what, I don't get the bubbles. And it works great. That was a big blob of bronze that just went down there. This is my iridescent bronze by Golden. This is a color that I am in love with. Oh my gosh. This is such a deceptive color. And I only pulled it off my shelf. It was a gift from Kathleen from Cos Creations. And I pulled it off my shelf. And I pulled it off my shelf because when you look at in the container, primary elements, color art, it looks turquoise, tealish, but it says moss green. So I said, okay, I'm going to take a chance on that. Let me try the moss green. Well, it looks like moss green. It's very Irish feeling, very St. Patrick's Day. It's gorgeous. And in the fusion piece that I made, the color is unbelievable. Love this color. Yes, it is color art primary elements. This here is Arteza's chromium oxide green. And I have also mixed in here a little Van Dyke brown by also by Arteza. All right, here is my Goldens. Carbon black. Now the last coaster I did, I put a big blob in the middle. And I thought, oh God. But I'm telling you what, it came out gorgeous. But I still don't want that much black in the middle. Because it really kind of stuck in the middle. Go with that. That should be good. All right, my American Floetrol cell activator, which is video 141. I'll link it above. I have an 8-minute video that shows how I make it and what ingredients go in it. And here it is, right here. This is actually from my my class. People from class would recognize that. American Floetrol cell activator recipe. 1 dot will do you. Get a little halo in there. That's what it should do. Black. Here we go. So what I normally do in this part is I talk through the blowout, but what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to link above video 419 where I show and tell all about the bloom to include not just how to blow it out, but what speed has to do with how it comes out and also the angle of the blow. Blew a little hard at this side. Ideally, I don't want to blow it off the tile when I'm first starting out because I want my spin to take care of all that. What this tells me is I have too much pillow down. And also the glidden spreads faster, so it could be a combination of both the glidden and I think I put too much down. Just like I've got some over here too, big blobs of it. But that's okay, because I want to cover up the sides. I want to get that paint over the edges so the paint knows where it's supposed to go. Look at that green. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. So pretty. All right, make sure I got all my sides covered. Let's give it a spin. That carbon black is really powerful. But I'll tell you what, with these earth tone colors, it works. Really, really pretty. Let's just let it spin for a second. Oh, I am in love. Look at this. Get a little more over this edge. So pull that over. Do a little quick cleanup on aisle 3. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous coaster. Oh my God. Black and green. Beautiful. I get so excited. Even with coasters. And there's, I feel silly, but I'll tell you what. There is something magical about creation. It is the best, if one is in need of therapy, it is the best kind of therapy because creating is such a positive force. So positive versus destroying things. Oh my gosh. I know I hear military people saying that they really get into art because it's therapeutic. And it's therapeutic because it is creating. The act of creating, it's like a surprise. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Just, I'm sorry. I get excited. This is so pretty. I'm going to call it done. I'm going to fix this one air bubble that popped up. Just a little kiss. And I'm going to leave that little frame on there because the other one's got some frame on it. So I'm going to have all of these, if I can, have them have a frame as a little bit of a theme between them. But this is unbelievable. So I'm going to clean my bottom off real quick. If you see, I pull out and down so I don't have the paint snap back into the piece. Because if I were to pull up, out and up, that paint could snap right back in and then you would be crying. What did I do that for? So always out, down. Anyway, let me lift this up for you guys to see. Look at this bad boy. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And here are the final resin results. Actually, I made 8 of these, but these are the 4 I'm sharing with you guys today. And I am thrilled with that moss green. I hope you guys are too. I definitely would recommend it. So if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell and all. Leave a comment and a thumbs up. I get back to everybody and I really appreciate the support. I also want to point out, especially to the newer people here, check out my playlist. I have a lot of different creations, especially functional art broken down by category in my playlists. I will have some at the end here. And I will also link at the end here my coasters playlist, I have over 90 different coaster creations with different color combinations and results. Here I'm showing you the back of the cork, and that's linked also in the description. So that's all for now, everybody. Take care. Till next time.